Guys, this is Chris here. Before we continue, you guys watching a reaction video. Yeah, guys, you guys watching it. So I put a parental guidance from my reaction video called the Lucio Joaquin story, which means I react that from June 19, guys. Yeah, I haven't uploaded on YouTube, so I'm gonna upload it right now. So here's the reason why I put a parental guidance for that because the jump scare at the end will scare the young viewers. Yes, guys, because they will freak out. If you keep staring at that face, they will literally get freaked out. So I put a parental guidance for that. If I put up SPG or strong parental guidance, they will have blood and gore. So they don't have blood and gore in the usual Joaquin story. So I just choose parental guidance or PG. So okay, guys, I already put a parental guidance for my reaction video because the kids will get scared at the jump scare at the end. Yes, guys. Do you know I got jump scared? Yeah, that's why I got freaked out. So yeah, I put a parental guidance for that so to not scare the kids and some of the young viewers. So okay, guys, enjoy the video. The following video is rated PG. It contains themes which should not be suitable for very young viewers. Parental guidance is advised. Hey guys, this is Chris here and welcome back to another reaction video. Um this is gonna be a short reaction video, but by the way, this is a Filipino language. So yeah, so we're gonna react. This is called Lucio Joaquin's story. So this is by Neil Hennessy Clark. So this video was old and this is back like from 2017. The whole story of Lucio Joaquin, yeah, on his Facebook account. So earlier I clicked it, but there's nothing. Wow. All right. So let's react this. By the way, Christian Page react this. Yeah, look at that. The thumbnail. I wish I would do that, but I can't. All right. Let's react this. So he waked up at 3 a.m. Wow, that's the devil's hour, bruh. Let me move my. Okay, there we go. Alright, he's taking a dump, I guess, or maybe not. He's taking a piss, I guess. Lights. He's going back to sleep again. Why is he sleeping on the couch? Like, I don't know why. Yeah, he can sleep. Maybe you should turn off the lights, I guess. Oh wait, that would be scarier. Oh, he can sleep too? Oh, that's kind of sucks. Oh yeah, he's picking up his phone. Hi. Oh, is that his girlfriend or a friend? Hello. Kuya, pwede makipag-usap? Hanto ko saan? Kahit ano po, wala po kasi ako makausap eh. Malulungkot ako. Nalulungkot ako. Oh. So, she is lonely. Ganun ba? Ano oras na? Yeah, that is 3 a.m. Bakit po kayo gising na? Actually, nagising lang ako. Napaantok lang na lang ako now. Okay. Hindi kayo may gumising sa'yo. That is a creepy story. That is a creepy question. Like, yeah, that literally happened back when when 2023. Yeah, that literally happened to me. Like, I don't know why, because yeah, I keep waking up at midnight. Like, I always waking up like 2, 3, and 4, and especially 5 because the sun is rising like in 5 a.m. Like, I don't know why. Yeah, especially in 2 a.m. I don't know why I don't know why am I waking up at freaking midnight, because it's kind of weird, because like, feel like if someone is watching you, but like, you keep looking around the room, like, why? Like, just completely ignore it and sleep, go back to sleep again. So yeah, that is why. That is your answer. So just ignore it and go back to sleep. Like, no need to look around like someone's watching you. Like in the window, yeah, especially if the window, if like someone is watching you, like that would be creepy as hell. Like freaking creepy. Alright, let's react it. Alright, let's continue. So he said, what do you mean po? Ha ha ha. Wala po. Ha ha ha. Alright, they're just chatting. Bakit walang naman timeline mo? Kakagawa ko lang po kasi. Okay. Ang dilim pa ng DP mo. Gamit ka flash para malinaw. Yeah. Sige po kuya, pwede ka ba maging friend? Oo naman. Sige kuya, pa-picture. Sige, pag nakita tayo. Ngayon na po. Wait, now na? What? Ha? Okay, but why is his phone just turned on by itself? It doesn't have a notification, message, and alarm. What the hell? Look, my phone would never do such a thing like that, but his phone, I don't know. I don't know what's going on in his phone, bro, but it just turned on itself. Why is there a flash in the front of the camera, but there's a flash in the back? Is he using Oppo? Do you know Oppo is? It's a phone. It's a phone, guys. It's a phone. So maybe he's using a Oppo, I guess, or I don't know. Maybe he's using a Oppo because it has a flash on it in the front of the camera. Like my phone doesn't have a flash in front of my. Yeah, my phone doesn't have a flash in front of the camera. Yeah, it doesn't have a flash. It's in the back. Anong na yun na? Maliwanag na DP ko kuya, tingnan mo. Okay. What's going to happen, bro? Oh, jeez! Oh, get off the screen. Oh my gosh. Wow, that was... Wow. Damn! So, that is Lucio Joaquin. Yung babae na walang eyebrow and black lips. And, wait, let me... It's like that. She's like that. Oh my gosh. Alright, question type na yun. Question, guys. So, nagising siya ng alas 3 ng umaga and hindi siya makaramdam na antok. And may nakausap sa kanya, which means it's Lucio Joaquin. They just keep chatting like I don't know. So she's asking, she wants a picture, and the guy said, sige, pag nakita tayo. And she said, ngayon na. Like, I don't know why she's saying that. And so, na-picture siya. And nagulat siya, meron siyang kasama sa picture. Which means it's Lucia. Wow. That was a wow. Bro, I didn't know there's a jump scare at the end, bro. What the hell? Bro. Like, if you, yeah, when the jump scare just has come and you just keep staring at it, like, yeah, it gives me a creep. Her smile is it's a creepy, bro. Like I know it. I know the whole story about that, guys. So pinalabas ata to sa Soko from November 1, 2016, I guess. I think that's from 2016. So there's a girl named Lucia Joaquin got died, which means got uh putol. Yes, guys. Her head got putol because there's a there's a mananakaw pumasok sa bahay nila. Yes, guys. And some of the I don't know what the whole story is from the Soko, guys, because from yeah, I was searching about the Soko thing from the Lucia Joaquin one, and it doesn't have the video of it, but because they don't want to show it because so the Lucia Joaquin's death is super brutal, which means her head got cut off. Like, wow, that was literally the brutalest death I ever seen. Because, by the way, Christian PH said that. So, by the way, Christian PH said the story. So let me show it to you guys.
Hey guys.
So, oh my god, I keep seeing her. All right, here's the story. He said,
Medyo may nasa picture siya. Wait, isa pa.
all right, here it guys.
Pinalabas ata to sa Soko nung last year na November 1, birthday ko.
Yeah, guys.
Na meron daw isang babae na pangalan na Lucia Joaquin na namatay na pinugutan ng ulo dahil meron
Oh,
tatlong
yeah.
magnanakaw na pumasok sa bahay nila.
Yeah.
Pumalag daw si Lucia Joaquin and then
Okay.
pinututan daw siya ng ulo. Na
Oh,
meron daw pumunta ng mga tao na magpapaalam sana para mag-igib ng tubig.
yeah.
Pero nadatan na lang nila na patay na
Oh.
walang ulo.
Oh my gosh.
Tapos nakita nila yung tatlong magnanakaw sa bahay nila na wala rin daw ulo
Yeah.
na nasa balon. So ginawa ata ni Lucia Joaquin yun.
Yeah, that is true, guys.
Oh my God! Di na naman nata makakatulog ito mamayang gabi. Okay, so...
And by the way, like from in the other day, naparamdam siya sa FB. Yeah, naparamdam siya. Like back in 2017. Yeah, naparamdam siya. So here's the story of Lucia Joaquin. So by the way, there's more. So here's what he said.
Masaya. Okay. Ang rason lang, nagparamdam daw sa FP.
Yeah, there it is.
Hindi ko, kasi isa, magaling magpauso ang mga
Yeah.
Pilipino.
Yes.
Tandaan yun.
Yes.
Magaling magpauso ang mga Pilipino katadandam.
Yeah.
Ang pinapauso namin yun, X. Ganun naman. Payo ko. Tapos, pangalawa,
So alright. So that's what he said. Yeah, that's what he said. This whole story, like, yeah, that's what he said. The story. So, yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. So, alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah, that jump scare at the end is super scary. Like, I hope I will get asleep at night. Yeah, I will completely ignore that. So, alright, that's it for today. God, that jump scare. Oh, I hate when I keep staring at her, bruh. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. So that's it for today. Peace out and goodbye.